ये पड़ोसी देश को धोखा दिया जैसा हो गया है। ये दुखित बात है, उसके मैं प्रकोट घोर दुख हूँ और दुख जताता हूँ, दुख व्यक्त करता हूँ, क्योंकि पड़ोसी देश में इससे अच्छा हमारा मित्रता है, मित्रता को कायम रखना जरूरी है। कि जिसके आज 1950 से चलते आया, संधि से चलते आया मित्रता को इन्होंने काल इस तरीका का जो घटना हुआ है उसमें मैं दुखी हूँ। ये नेपाल सरकार को छानबीन करनी चाहिए, नेपाल सरकार एक गठन करना चाहिए, इससे किस लिए हुआ, कैसे हुआ, एक पैनल बैठानी चाहिए ताकि इसका रिपोर्ट स्पष्ट रूप में आगे आ जाए तौर पे सरकार के हाथ में, ताकि आगे बात कर पाए। नई सरकार से जब से नई सरकार आई है, नई सरकार आने के बाद अभी कोई संतोष नहीं है और कोई जनता संतोष नहीं है, क्योंकि जो मधेसी का आंदोलन था वो चलते कंटिन्यू है, चल ही रहा है। और दूसरा जो आज हिंदू राष्ट्र के लिए 94% दुखी है वो है, उसका कोई समाधान नहीं हुआ। 3 नंबर जो आज विकास का मुद्दा है, वो विकास का मुद्दा वहीं का वहीं है, उसका एजेंडा ही तय नहीं हुआ है। आज एजेंडा ड्राफ्ट प्रपोजल नहीं बना पा रहा है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, तो कहाँ से हमारा विकास होगा। इसीलिए संतोष कोई जनता नहीं है। मेरा संतोष होना नहीं होना दूसरी बात है, 94% संतोष नहीं है। भारत सरकार से हमारा ये चाहना है, हम ये चाहते हैं, अपेक्षा है कि आज हमारा जो नेपाल भारत हिंदू मित्रता संबंध है, वो संबंध का हिसाब से हमें सपोर्ट करें हिंदू राष्ट्र लाने में, लेकिन वो कर रहे हैं, वो इसका किस तरीका से किया जाए उसका आगे और बड़ी रूप से चुनौती का रूप से ले ले, ताकि हिंदू राष्ट्र हम कायम कर पाए। नेपाल
सरकार जो चुनी गई है उससे क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं आपकी, ताकि आप आंदोलन बंद करें या और आंदोलन चालू करें?
हम और आंदोलन चालू करें, बंद होने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है, ये और कथित रूप से चालू करेंगे।
योर डिमांड्स फ्रॉम द नेपाली गवर्नमेंट?
माई डिमांड वाज नंबर 1 टू डिक्लेयर नेपाल एज ए हिंदू कंट्री, टू डिक्लेयर नेपाल एज हिंदू कंट्री। दैट वाज माई number 1 demand. And number 2 demand, peaceful for the security and peace for the Nepal generation, general public. Number 3 demand, by seeing the topography of the country, local and climatic condition of the country, the development should be carried out as per climatic condition and topographic of the Himalayan country of the.
Meaning that the government, whatever is the reforms right now under Oli government, they are leaking the China's all the documents as well as the Samjhauta of the Nepal and versus India. All the documents, secrets are leaking.
They are doing that when the Nepal government KP Oli has been declared as primate candidate, contesting prime ministerial candidate. Right from that time, Mr. Prachanda, who was the Maoist leader, he went to China to discuss with the Chinese government and to take the support from them by way of finance, by way of technically, by way of army, whatever necessary for them to run the government in Nepal forcefully. That's why this thing, and India government also is very much is in safety position, because China has already entered into the Nepal, and there are demand for 15,000 liter diesel per day requirement of Nepal. Out of that, they are only supplying China 45,000 liter per month diesel. What is the reason of use of taking up 45,000 liter diesel from the China per month? Out of 15,000 per day into 30, 450,000 liters per month consumer of diesel. Out of them, only 45,000 is China is giving. That means they are just, that is one of the sample to enter. That is one of the issues to enter to the Nepal and to find out a survey, investigation by the China. It is very easy, and they got good opportunities to enter the Nepal by supplying 45,000 liter of diesel to the Nepal.
Now you are taking a protest against the violence in Nepal. So that today, what is your step? Next step is what?
My next step is that if Nepal government will not declare Nepal as a Hindu country, number 1. Number 2, if they will not stop the China that 30% diesel, they have to stop. from the obtaining from the China, and they should come. Number 3 step, Nepal Prime Minister should come to the Honorable Prime Minister to meet to Honorable Prime Minister of India and has to discuss. See, this is our Indo-Treaty Nepal Agreement, subsequently amended 2014 during your regime, during your government. Now, accordingly, we need the supply, and whatever budget we are having out of total budget, 60,000% budget we are providing to the India for purchasing of diesel, petrol, and gas, oxygen. So accordingly, he has to talk to the Prime Minister India. But instead of doing that, he is going zigzag way. Who is resulting is very dangerous for Nepali people as well as Indian people.
So that people are also supporting Nepal in those days. So if the plus China government are the same.
India government and China government are not same. You see, India, you cannot counterpart to the China. Oh, UNO. UNO, you see, when UNO will be there, you have to speak. You have to plan, produce the table the plan. What is your plan? What is your strategy? Then UNO will take decision. UNO directly cannot take decision without concrete solution and discussion in the meeting. So, but that Nepal Prime Minister has to do that. But Nepal Prime Minister is not doing. That is the reason for what UNO is lagging behind to take any decision. That is the problem with the government of Nepal.
Your name, sir?
My name is Vishnu Prasad Bral.
What is your